Welcome to Da Nang, Vietnam. Known for its stunning beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Da Nang is a must-visit destination. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 things to do in this beautiful city. Let's get started. First up, the Marble Mountains. This cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills is a natural wonder. Explore the many caves, tunnels, and Buddhist sanctuaries nestled within these mountains, and don't miss the breathtaking views from the summit. Next, Mai Khe Beach. Often referred to as one of the most beautiful beaches in Vietnam, Mai Khe Beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and surfing. Enjoy the pristine sand and clear blue waters. Third on our list is the iconic Dragon Bridge. This impressive structure spans the Han River and is especially spectacular at night when the dragon breathes fire and water. It's a sight you won't want to miss. A visit to Bana Hills is a must. Take the world's longest cable car ride to reach the top, where you can explore the French village. Visit the Linh Ung Pagoda and walk across the stunning golden bridge held up by giant stone hands. For a taste of local culture, head to Han Market. This bustling market is the perfect place to shop for souvenirs, try local delicacies, and experience the vibrant atmosphere of Da Nang. History buffs will appreciate the Cham Museum, home to the world's largest collection of Cham sculptures and artifacts. This museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the ancient Cham civilization. Explore the natural beauty of Sun Tra Peninsula. Visit the towering Lady Buddha statue at Linh Ung Pagoda. Enjoy panoramic views of the city. And keep an eye out for the rare red-shanked Duke Langur monkeys. A short drive from Da Nang takes you to the enchanting town of Hoi An. Stroll through its lantern-lit streets, visit the ancient temples, and savor the local cuisine in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. For a journey back in time, visit My Sun Sanctuary. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features a collection of ancient Hindu temples constructed between the 4th and 14th centuries. It's a fascinating place to explore Vietnam's rich history and architecture. Finally, end your day with a relaxing boat ride along the Han River. Enjoy the beautiful city lights and the serene atmosphere as you cruise through the heart of Da Nang. From stunning natural landscapes to rich cultural experiences, Da Nang has something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed our top 10 things to do in Da Nang. Thank you for watching. We hope you're inspired to embark on your own Da Nang adventure. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore things to do and hotel deals. See you in the next video, and until then, happy travels!